We're joined by Michael Kaplan with Phase 2 Advantage. Michael, you've been teaching with the Project Aries Labs for quite some time. How do you see Project Aries increasing the efficiency and time economy of what an instructor needs to accomplish in the classroom?
That's actually one of the easier questions to answer because I experienced that myself. When you have a program that is set up and you know that you can grade based on tasks or time, you have all the resources in the media center, when you know that you have the reporting capability that you have, and it's all at your fingertips and nothing needs to be reinvented. We're not reinventing the wheel at any level. Uh, that takes 80% of the load off of everything we do. And because those logistics and that planning don't have to be factored because they've already been factored into the training tool, that frees up 80% of our time to be able to focus on our students, be able to focus on developing their skills. And that just makes life in the classroom much easier and outside the classroom because it allows us to assign tasks for those indirect student contact hours. And it's just easy. It's just easy. And it solves for itself really at that point.